everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Fall DIY Challenge hosted by Sonja from Domestic Diva, and I will leave the link to her channel in the description box. I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge, so please visit her channel and watch all the videos. Thank you in advance. I'm going to try to make an arrangement for fall. I got this box. It's a USPS box. The size was kind of the double of this one. I cut it in half and I spray painted it white. I have to paint it a little bit more here because the paint kind of came off. But I spray painted it all around with Rust-Oleum, the regular Rust-Oleum flat spray paint. Then I dry brushed it in gray. I think that this is dry now, but just in case you don't know how to dry brush, you prepare the color you want, in this case gray, and then you take just a little bit of the paint, as less as possible, using the worst brush you have, and then you start kind of brushing softly. You can also use it this way if you want the lines to be less wide, and that's the dry brushing technique. This is what I did here. I use a shorter brush, and then I tried to mimic the different pieces of wood using a pencil and a ruler. So I made the lines, like so, and like so, and then you can use whatever you want. I use my finger. I started kind of making the lines softer, and also it gives some shade around the line, as you can see here and here, which makes it more natural. Sorry, I'm moving the camera as usual. So this is more or less what I did here. Of course, I worked on this box with much more time, sorry, so it looks better. I just wanted to show you the technique. Then I added different pieces of this floral foam, and I bought this sign at Family Dollar for $3. I love it. It was all white except for this kind of brownish, goldish, and glitter. They were white. The three of them were this color. I think they are white on the back. Yes. So what I did, and it had this word here attached there. So I remove it because I'm not going to use it there, and I used, you can use even some eyeshadow, some blush that you have at home. As I am a scrapbooker, I have chalk ink, so I used chalk ink and my finger, and I went all over these two pumpkins to make them stand out a little bit. Then with a brown marker. I don't know why it looks like blue, but I went all around this kind of unions, I don't know how you call it, and I marked all these pieces on the pumpkins, like so, and then the other side I'm going to finish that later. And I'm going to add this sign here. I think I don't want it to be center, so I'm going to add it a little bit to the left. And well, this sign I'm going to add it in the front. If you look, I've already made the marks and the cuts where I'm going to place the welcome sign. Really easy, very quick arrangement. I'm going to fold, sorry, I'm going to fold these flaps to keep the sign in place. I hope I was in camera and not off camera when I showed you that before. So now it's just a matter of adding fall stuff that I have at home. I have a Spanish mouse and I can't find it. I don't know, I don't remember having used it. And I have all my mouse in one bag, so the Spanish mouse was supposed to be there, but it's not. Maybe I used it and I don't remember. So I'm going to use this one right now. I don't know if it's enough, but it will have to be enough. So let's spread it like so. Fortunately, this can be spread very easily, and then I will fill the spaces where I don't place any other element. So now I know I want this arrangement to go here. I know that for sure. I tried it before and I love it. That's why I placed the pumpkins more to the left, because I love how this looks in this corner. And then let me see what I'm going to add. I'm going to add a flower here. As usual, I don't adhere anything because I like to change and reuse things for different seasons. So I'm going to add this here. I want to use this one. Maybe here. Or here. It's hard because the stem is too long, but I don't want to shorten it. And I think it's too much orange if I place this here. So I'm going to add these little things that I have around. I haven't used it. I got them at Goodwill last year in a big bag and I didn't use them. Let me see. I'm going to add some cotton balls. I love cotton balls. Let me add this maybe here. This is all up to each one of you taste. Maybe there. I want to add this here. I have some pine cones that are great as fillers. Well, this doesn't want to be used in this arrangement. She's trying to run away. Like so. This is kind of Christmassy, but I like it anyways. Some greenery. I need more greenery. I found out that I run out of greenery, leaves and stuff like that. So I have an excuse to go to my favorite store, which is Dollar Tree. Please get ready. I will be visiting you this week for sure. Okay. Set that there. Maybe this here. I think I don't have room for this flower, and it's okay. Let's place this here and this here. And I really don't mind that there is a hole here, honestly, but I will probably add a little bit of cardboard painted in the same color. But I really don't mind. And well, I think that's it. I don't want to add too much. Maybe one leaf here, and that would be it. I think there's too many things, but overall I like it. Anyways, I just wanted to show you what you can do with a box and a $3 sign from Family Dollar. All the other things are just to show how to use it, but the main purpose of this video was to show you this box that I made, and I put to good use USPS box that otherwise would have ended up in the trash can. This is trash to treasure in some way. And this sign from Family Dollar is so beautiful that I had to have it. I had to have it, you understand me? So I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you do all that, you will make me very happy, and your dreams will come true. That's the consequence of subscribing. Okay, thank you to Sonja for hosting. Thank you to all the participants. Please watch the videos and visit the channel. And thank you to all of you for watching my video and supporting my channel. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.